Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make dish soap slime. So about 2 to 3 weeks ago I uploaded a dish soap slime recipe and you guys seem to really like that, so I wanted to show you guys a different type of recipe to that recipe, if that makes sense. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is dish soap, and I'm using Dawn, and I'm using this pink kind I got. You guys will also need salt. I'm just using sea salt. You guys will need an airtight container or just a bowler plate. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate, and I'm going to take it out and start putting my dish soap into there. And you're just going to want to fill it up to however much slime you want to make. So that looks like enough because I only want a little bit of slime. I spilled it a little bit, so that's fine. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my sea salt, and I'm going to get adding it into the slime. But I always tell you guys, make sure you only get a little bit out, like that, and you're going to add about a pinch into there. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, so that looks like just enough mixing, and now all I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this into the freezer for about 2 hours, and I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here is the slime now, and it's actually got a bit foggier because I always tell you guys is every 30 minutes I always mix it up while it's in the freezer so it can actually form better. That's like a really good tip I always give you guys. So I'm going to see how it turned out, and I can already tell that it formed slime because I think this recipe might have even worked better than the other recipe I uploaded about a couple weeks ago. It's because I used sea salt in it, and it made it super stretchy, and it worked out pretty well. And it's still pretty clear, and it turned into an awesome no glue clear slime recipe. It's not the stretchiest, and it's still a little bit sticky because it's soap and it's gonna stick to you, of course, but this recipe turned out really well and I like it a lot, as you can tell. And I'll try holding it and showing it to you guys. But you could see it turned into actual slime, and it formed an awesome slime-like thing. So it's just soap and salt, and this is how you make no glue dish soap slime. And it turned super awesome, and I hope you guys try out this recipe, and if it works, put in the comments down below if it works, and if it doesn't work, put a comment down below as well, and I'll try giving you some tips on how to make it into an actual slime. So thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias, which will be linked down below, and I love you guys so much. Bye and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!